Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to recover your contacts from a Gmail account. First, enter your browser and type Google account. Click on the first result, then click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Download your data. Click on it, then scroll down and click on Select All. Deselect all and search for contacts. Once you find contacts, select it. After that, scroll up until you find a download button. Click on it. After that, click on download. Then click download. Your download will be done and click on open. Now you have downloaded the VCF file saved into your Google account. It contains all your contacts ready to be saved again to your device. Click Extract Files. Select the folder to extract the file to and click on Extract. This is the takeout, the file that we've downloaded. Open it, then open contacts and click on all contacts, and yeah, here is the file we are looking to. Click on it and click on contacts. This way you're gonna install all the new contacts to your new device. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.